Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Weber Energy Network token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Weber Energy Network WEN is the financial infrastructure chain within the Weber 3 chain ecosystem. Designed as a POW based mining coin enhanced by the energy index EI mechanism. WEN emphasizes irreversible energy consumption and enables board participation through its full node and micro node structure, serving as both a value anchor and financial backbone. WEN inherits Bitcoin's mining spirit while providing a solid foundation for governance and smart contract applications, driving a truly decentralized energy driven financial network. Weber Energy Network token total supply is 210 million and circulating supplies around 5 million WEN token. WEN token is listed on Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.